Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. And today I have come with a very special Chinese recipe which is everyone's favorite, that is chili chicken recipe. This is same like chicken Manchurian, but chili chicken is the Indian version of the Chinese chicken Manchurian. So let's start making this chili chicken quickly. To prepare chili chicken for 4 members, let's take 300 grams of boneless chicken pieces, nicely washed and cleaned, adding some salt and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 full tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and half a spoon of black pepper powder and half a spoon of soya sauce and 1 full spoon of vinegar, and add 1 full egg. Let's mix all these ingredients together, and now let's give a good mix to all these ingredients. Adding 1 tablespoon full of corn flour and 1 full tablespoon of maida, that is all purpose flour. Let's mix it well and keep the chicken marinated for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, let's take out the chicken and deep fry them. Let's deep fry the chicken pieces in medium flame until they turn golden brown. Now the chicken pieces are changing its color, and you can see that they are turning golden and crispy. Let's not over fry them. Let's take it out at this point. You can see that how crispy they are from outside and juicy from inside. Now our fried chicken pieces are ready. Let's make the sauce now. I'm using the same oil over here in which I fried the chicken pieces, around 4 tablespoons of oil. Adding 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, adding 2 green chilies slitted, some curry leaves. This is the difference between chili chicken and chicken Manchurian. We add green chilies and curry leaves in chili chicken. Now let's add 1 small onion and 1 small bell pepper diced in this way, roughly, and in bigger pieces. Let's saute them for few seconds, retaining the crunch of onion and bell pepper. Only for little time we have to roast them so that they should not lose the crunch. Now I am adding little bit of Szechuan chutney, around half a spoon, and around 1 spoon of tomato ketchup. Adding around half a spoon of soya sauce. After adding this, immediately we have to mix it, keeping it in low flame. Now I am making a slurry of corn flour and water, adding 1 tablespoon of corn flour and little bit water to make it a slurry type. Let's add this slurry to the sauce. Let's give a mix after adding it immediately. Now let's add our fried chicken pieces to the sauce. Let's give a good mix now and cook it for only 1 minute after adding the chicken. Let's adjust the salt if you require, and that's all. I'm adding little bit of black pepper powder and some chopped spring onions. If you don't have it, you can even skip it, no problem. That's all. Our tempting and mouth-watering chili chicken is ready to be enjoyed. This chili chicken goes awesome with noodles and fried rice. You can even have it with chapati or fulka. Try this at home and share your feedback with me. See you soon in my next video with one more interesting recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video.